Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can like a game on Roblox and fix the issue if you can't like a game. So let's get started. If you want to like a game on Roblox, the process is very simple. First, open Roblox and find the game you want to rate. Make sure you're on the game's information page and don't click the play button yet. Just below the game's thumbnail or main image, you'll see a thumbs up icon. Click or tap the thumbs up button to like the game. Your like will be added immediately if your account meets Roblox's requirements. If you're unable to like the game, there are a few things you can check. Start by opening More and then go to Settings. Next, open the Account Info section and make sure your account has a valid email address added. If you've already added an email address, verify it if it hasn't been confirmed yet. A verified email can help unlock certain Roblox features and improve account security. After that, return to the game and make sure you've actually played it for a short period of time. Roblox may require players to spend a few moments in a game before they can submit a rating. Once you've played the game and your account information is properly set up, try clicking the thumbs up button again. If the issue still continues, try logging out and back into Roblox or updating the app to the latest version before attempting to like the game again. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.